Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear some doubts or answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, Pisces. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. We have Chariot, Empress in reverse and Seven of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone confident about yourself. You feel that you know everything, you know what is your situation and you know the right way to handle your circumstances. You are confident and you are focused, and that is the reason you are seeing good changes. Whatever troubles you faced in your life, you are overcoming those obstacles, feeling really triumphant, and you are a person who has a deep faith and a strong willpower, determination. So that is the reason you are seeing good changes today. Though you may have a lot of difficulties in your life, you would have faced a lot of difficulties. Maybe it may be true even for your relationship. Maybe with this person you would have had a lot of arguments, stressful circumstances, things did not go so well, and you were feeling sad or stressed, or this may be your present energy. You are feeling sad or stressed, but situation is not going to continue the same way, Pisces. Circumstances are changing, you can be assured. So all this pain, sadness, everything is leaving you. You are going to feel confident, happy again, happy to be in this relationship, happy to be with this person. So circumstances are definitely changing. Circumstances are definitely changing for you. So all those moments of sadness, misunderstanding, maybe you would have felt really sad for having done certain things. Maybe it was unintentional on your part, some mistakes on your part. You are worried about that, and you are wishing that everything changes today. Whatever has happened, let that all change. So it would have been something you did, that is the reason for some misunderstanding you are seeing today in this relationship. And today you have clarity because you know the truth. So you know what is the reason for this person's behavior, why they said few things, or why they acted in a particular way, or what is the reason for those circumstances, and what is the reason for the things that you said or did and you are regretting today. So the truth behind everything is coming into light, and you are happy because you know what went wrong and what is the reason and what should be done. So with truth that has come out, you have clarity in your relationship. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. We have Nine of Swords in reverse. Though you may have clarity, there may be certain things still you need to work on. There may be some minor arguments, some stressful circumstances still. So, if you want a harmonious, beautiful relationship, Pisces, heart to heart communication, that is what is important. So, what you truly feel, you must reveal to this person, and they should also reveal to you what they truly feel. Only then this relationship is going to work. That is what I feel with these cards. So let us see what is the card for your work circumstances. We have one card here, Five of Swords in reverse. So in your work, there may be some obstacles, delays, or suspensions, something you need to do, you need to work on. So you need a lot of focus and attention if you want success in your career, Pisces. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you, and you need to let this magic work in your life. So you need to wait, maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, to the sea. So with this card in your relationship, it just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.